Hey, welcome to another Moocharoo Ninja video here on YouTube, and in today's video I just want to go through some of the things that we've been getting on with in Moocharoo Ninja. I know a lot of you guys that were chatting over on our Telegram group, you wouldn't have heard much from me in the last week, so I just want to give you a brief run through of everything that we've been doing, as well as looking at Bitcoin and a couple of other cryptocurrencies and where I predict they seem to be going, using of course technical analysis as always. Now, if you are lucky enough to be over on our website and you have an account, of course they are free, anybody can come and sign up for a Moocharoo Ninja account, then you may be aware in the Masters area that we've had a course here in the Master Trading Skills section for maybe a month or so. So we have 3 levels of membership for disciples, zealots, and master ninjas. So each level comes with its own perks, and right here in the trading skills section we've had this here. So this is aimed at disciple level stuff. So this 6-part video series is really for getting people that are completely new to cryptocurrency and just training them up on everything that they need to sort of get up and running with some cryptocurrency payments and storing crypto and all that type of stuff. And what we've had planned is for the second part, the second 6-part series for the Ninja Zealots, and that is going to be coming here pretty soon because I've only just gotten over filming that 6-part series over the last couple of days, so expect that to be coming onto the website pretty soon. When it is, I shall update everybody on the Telegram group as always. Then I shall be off to Tenby here in South Wales for a little mini holiday before the kids have to go back to school, and I'll most likely film that there and maybe do some day trading while I'm staying in a tent. Yes, in a tent, nothing posh at all because of coronavirus. No one's allowed to really go around and travel and enjoy themselves. So we're just stuck here in rainy old Wales having a little tent holiday. That'll be good, and it will be extra good if I can actually make some money trading. I don't even know if I'm going to have Wi-Fi signal there or anything. Who knows, it could all go very wrong. But that's what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of days. And once you've completed that 6-part video course, you're going to be able to come over to TradingView and use it like an absolute pro and make yourself lots and lots of money over the next year. And then of course, for the rest of your life as well. And it was while doing this course that I realized a couple of things that were going on in the market that I really wanted to share with you here in this video. First up, of course, is Bitcoin and what on earth is going on with that. So if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, you can see where it is. It's at a very interesting place. So it's at this place where a few people I've seen on social media say that it could be a head and shoulders. And, you know, rightly so. This here would be the neckline of the head and shoulders. So head and shoulders always needs that neckline. And what we've got here, and we just grab something that will do, this will do nicely, is obviously the first shoulder coming down there to the neckline, up to the head, down to the neckline. And then this level right here does seem to be in and around right now that second shoulder. So the idea would be that the head and shoulder move would finish by coming back down, breaking through the neckline, and then continuing on a downward trend. However, I do not personally believe that is going to happen at all, because Bitcoin, you know, everyone expects it to get to like $200,000 or so within the next year. I think the price will move forward, and also because I've been caught out on this before myself with Bitcoin maybe about a year or so ago, and here is exactly what happened. So after very accurately predicting Bitcoin going down from this big rise, falling wedge, triangle, descending triangle, there it was, I predicted it going down to 3,200. In fact, even now to this day, if you went over to our YouTube channel, to the main page, you'll see this video here. And I believe that it is in this video, so about a year ago, when we were predicting that Bitcoin was going to go from 6,000 in that descending triangle down to 3,200. And that is exactly what it did. Came out the bottom of that triangle, went all the way down to around 3,200, spot on exactly what was predicted, and then it started going up. and I made another video saying that I was not buying into this bull run, and I believe that my analysis at the time was pretty accurate from what I could see. Again, you could see what was turning out to look something like a head and shoulders move over here, and I was expecting to move back down to about 5,500 so I could sell off at that point and buy back down a lot cheaper. And you know, that's what you want to do as a trader, right? Unfortunately, that is not what happened. So just around the time where we were expecting it to come down from that second shoulder there, the price just continued all the way up to $13,000 there. And I should imagine that around where we are right now, you're going to see Bitcoin do exactly the same thing again. I don't want to get caught out again, so I'm pretty iffy. I don't want to sell all my Bitcoin at this price, knowing that we could be looking at exactly the same pattern all over again, where you're going to get some people believing this is a head and shoulders, they're going to sell off, hoping to be buy back in cheaper, and quite likely it's going to head all the way up to maybe 18,000 over the next couple of weeks. Another coin that we were looking at in some detail during the course is this one right here, Cardano. Now, I have been quite bearish on it over the last couple of weeks. However, it does seem to be turning around. So down here on the, well, just, whoa, what am I doing there? Here we go. So right here, we've got the Moocharoo Crypto Ninja signals. Maybe we'll take a look at the signals in just a second and let you know how that's going. But here you can see the signal would have said to buy, and right down here on the MACD we have convergence. So it looks like a crossover on the MACD. Also just rising up here on the RSI. So RSI breaking through the bottom 30% there, coming stronger. MACD breaking through at a low point. And obviously we've got a signal there from the Moocharoo Crypto Ninja. I really expect that we're going to be seeing Cardano here. In fact, let's just change that to Heikin-Ashi, and you can see that we've got those first few green candles there. I should imagine we might well have a nice long run up here. So Cardano, a great coin to be getting into, and you'll see this same pattern with a lot of the altcoins right now. So I think Bitcoin is going to be going up. A lot of the altcoins are also going to be going up. In fact, if you just heard that, that's the signals coming through again. So a nice cue. Let's go take a look at how the signals have been getting on. If you are a Moocharoo Ninja master, then you will be getting these signals through on your phone, on your laptop, and it's all getting sent through the Telegram API. So over here on the Telegram signals page, you can see there we're getting quite a few sell signals through today, and these signals will run every single hour now, and they're pretty accurate. So let's just take a look here. We've got Komodo. And here we are on Komodo on a 4-hour chart using Heikin-Ashi, and you can see there that the same code that we're running on TradingView is also the code now which is powering the actual signals live on the website, and they are the same. So we've got a sell signal here too, and you can see the market has been going down. Now it's quite possible that there are some buy signals and some sell signals, and some people are saying, you know, it's like buy 1 minute, a couple of hours later it says sell again, and it's like at a less price and you're going to lose money. And yes, that is true. That is trading. Sometimes you will lose money, but it's much better to get out right now as it's just on the turn and just heading down. You could be holding this for a couple of weeks as it just goes further and further and further down. You're going to be in a lot of pain. If it says sell, I definitely suggest you just get out of that market straight away. What we're of course looking for is the long runners. So I believe recently like NEO has been going up. So if we take a look here at NEO, you can see the signal would have bought in back then and took you all the way up here. Of course, you've got a sell signal, then you've got another buy signal again, and right now you've got a sell signal on NEO. So yeah, there is a bit of in and out the market, but at the end of the day, you're gonna make money as long as you just stick it out and make sure you make those trades when you need to. So another couple here, we've got ADA and basic attention tokens. So if you're holding those, it does say to sell. So again, yes, ADA looks like a possible little double top there. So it looks like it's heading down again, which is a good time to sell. Also looking at the MACD, does look like it's heading lower and got some way to go until it's really considered undervalue. Right here on the RSI as well, it does got some way to go until it's undervalue. So again, a good time to be selling some off. Also, we were taking a look at BAT. Basic attention token, same story there, guys, same story. There was a little bit of hope, but looks like that's gone now. It is heading back down, so if you're holding BAT, you want to be ditching that. The signals right now do appear to be working exactly how they should be. I am, of course, still monitoring it every single morning just to make sure that they are in line, but they're going off every single hour. So through the day, I will check it every now and then, and it does seem to be in line with where it should be. So if you are following those signals on the site now live, then feel free that they do seem to be pretty much what they should be, and you should be making money over the long run. But obviously, there is some time when the market's sort of going up and down and can't really decide which way it wants to go, that you may make some small losses. But much better to make a few small losses here and there than just hold on to losers far too long and end up taking a very big loss. So yes, of course, you could just hodl all the way through and wait till the market to go up again, because we are, of course, in a bull market now, so you could do that if you wanted to. But I would much rather just cut out the market and put that cash to use in something which is actually doing good. Anyway, that is it for today. Just a quick update on, of course, the markets, everything that I see going on there, and everything that we're doing with Moocharoo Ninja. So expect those videos, the new video series for the Zealots, to be coming out over the next couple of days. And as always, that's it from me. See you guys in the next video.